Hey dolls, welcome back to my channel. Want to see how I got this beautiful natural looking wig? Keep watching. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to be doing is bleaching the knots on my closure. I'm going to be taking the bleaching powder. I'm going to pour it into a small container. And then I'm going to take my 40 developer and I'm going to mix it together. And you don't want it to be like milky. You want it to be like a thick paste. So I added some more just to make sure the texture is right. Okay, so now I'm just testing it. So you want to apply your paste in a thick motion. I'm kind of spreading it out a little bit, but you don't want it to be too thin because then it can seep through, and yeah, you don't want that. So yes, that's how it should look. I'm adding more because I ran out. So it should look just like this, a thick paste. And you just want to spread it all around. Okay, so this is how your closure should look. And you're going to lay it down on foil, going to fold it up, and I'm going to leave mine sitting for 27 minutes. So this is how it should look. So it should foam up. That's when you should know like it's done, and then you want to rinse it off. So I'm just making sure, you know, like it looks right and, you know, it didn't seep through, which it didn't. It was perfect. As you guys can see, it looks very natural. I'm very, very happy. You want to go in and take your shimmer lights just to make sure, you know, all the chemicals are out, and, you know, you just don't want that like brassy look or whatever. So this is what I'm using this for. And I'm going to rinse this twice just to make sure. And I had the water on like lukewarm. So yeah, just rinse it out again. Make sure all those chemicals are out. Okay, it looks perfect. It came out amazing. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. So you guys see what I'm doing. I'm about to sew my closure down. I'm putting my T-pins in just to hold the closure on the mannequin. And this is very easy, you guys. It's extremely easy, so, you know. And I'm not a professional. I'm not a hairstylist. So, you know, I might make some mistakes, but it's okay. So I'm just putting my T-pins in. Gonna clip the closure up just so it can be out the way. So now it's down. It's flat. You guys have to make sure that it is flat. Your closure has to be flat. So when I looked at it, it looked like my knot was too big, so I started over. I like to make my stitches close together just for security purposes, but you can make your stitches a finger width apart. If you like, it's up to you. I wouldn't make it any bigger than that because, girl, your closure will be loose, it'll fall off. You don't want that, so just do it like this or a finger width apart. So yeah, you want to keep repeating your same steps. This part, I had to twist my needle a little bit just to like get it through, but it went through. And then, yeah, I kind of struggled a little bit right there, but it worked. So I'm at the top of the closure now, and this part was really, really easy. And you just have to be consistent. Okay, So now it's time for our bundle. So this is 22 inch and this hair is Brazilian version Remy hair. It's so soft. I love this hair. This was my first time using this hair and I was like, oh my God, this is everything. So I decided to glue it onto the cap because it's just quicker. I mean, you know, so that's what I did. And so now I'm just using my blow dryer just to dry it. And you want to make sure it's like on there, girl, because you do not want this to come off, okay? So I'm just doing the other side, and as you guys can see, I have my T-pin in the middle just to make sure, you know, like it just makes this step much easier. And as you ladies can see, like I didn't place the track on the band part because you actually need that part to, like, you know, put it on. So that would have been kind of silly to me. I know some people probably do, but I don't because it's just easier for me to put my wig on. So that's just what I do. So you just want to keep repeating these same steps. This is very, very beginner friendly. So, you know, if you ladies don't know how to make a wig, or, you know, you're just learning or whatever, this is very, very, very easy. Like, the mistake that I made was I should have went all the way around. I don't know what I was thinking, like with the tracks. I should have went from the from the top where the closure is. I don't know. But I believe I figured that out like after. So as you guys can see, it's a gap in the front. I'm like, why didn't I go all the way around? So silly, but I filled it in, so yeah. So yeah, you just want to make sure that it is on there. Like I was like putting the blow dryer actually on the mannequin head, like you're gonna stay. So as you guys can see, I'm just showing it, you know, it's not moving. No tracks are falling out. I'm almost done. So now I'm at the top. And why did I get this tan cap? I don't know why I picked up this tan cap. I've never seen a tan cap. I always seen a black one, so I think that's why I got it. But it's silly because I have black hair. Like I could see if I had blonde hair. But whatever. It's not gonna show, so. So as you guys can see, I'm almost done. That little ball spot is getting smaller and smaller. Like, I'm all into this, y'all. Like, I think I'm a hairdresser. So, yeah, you guys. I mean, you guys see what I'm doing. Like, it's so easy. Super easy. If you want a wig, a quick wig, just do this. Literally took me no time. So for this hair, I got a 22 inch, a 20 inch, and an 18 inch. So just closing up that little ball spot in the middle. Okay, so I'm closing it up, and then I'm gonna put one more track over that, and then I'll be done. So this is my last track. And now I'm about to take this wig off of the mannequin head, but I'm just gonna show you guys how it looks. Looks really good. So this was kind of a struggle because the glue was actually stuck on the mannequin head, and I was like, what the hell is going on? So I got it off, thank God. And now I'm about to cut the extra cap part that is on top of the lace. As you guys can see what I'm pointing to, you want to cut that out like you're making a U part. So I cut it out and I applied the wig. It looks good. Scalp looks very natural. And I'm just cutting my lace. So I'm cutting it with scissors first, and then I'm gonna take my razor just to give it that like jagged edge. You don't want it to look like too round, like, you know, when you do your lace and stuff like that. You want it to look really natural. So that's the look that I was going for, and that's what we did. And now I'm just flat ironing it, just like trying to lay the closure down. I'm actually not finished fixing up this wig, but I just want to show you guys, like, I mean, if you're in a hurry, you're in a rush, and you need to go somewhere, you know, this is what you do. And as you guys can see, I have a special guest in the background. Somebody did laundry. But yeah, back to this wig, girl. I absolutely love how this wig came out. It's so full. It's so natural looking. Yes. Come on, doll face. Thank you guys for watching. Bye.